Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use modifiers in Bambu Studio. Now, modifiers are useful when you want different parts of the same model to print with different settings. So in order to basically use modifiers, you need to simply launch your Bambu Studio application and then import your model. Now, as you can see, I have these few models available. So over here, you need to select the model on the build plate, and then you need to make sure that you are under the prepare tab only. Now you need to simply just right click on the model, then hover over to the add modifier. Then among the given shapes, you just have to choose any of the shapes. So for example, let's say I'm going to select the cone shape over here. So the modifier is going to be appear under your model in the objects panel. So you can find it over here in the left hand side. Now you can use the move option, the rotate option and the scale option in order to position the modifier over the part of the model that you want to change. So for example, let's say I want to change this particular part. So I'm just going to simply select the modifier and I'm going to place it over here. With the help of the scale option, you can also increase or decrease its size. If you want to basically select it, you can just simply hover over to the left hand side and select that particular shape. So after doing this, you can select the modifier from the objects panel. Then you can choose the settings that you want to change for this particular area. So you are going to see some of the settings, like we have the frequency, and we also have the quality, the speed and the other options. So over here you can select the sparse infill density, and you can also increase or decrease it. You can also select the option of wall loops to make the section look more stronger. You can also increase the infill density for the additional internal strength. So after making changes or without any changes, you can just simply add the multiple modifiers of the same model. So once you are done with this, you just have to simply click on the option of slice plate and go to the preview tab. Over here you can move through the layer, and then you can check the areas where you have applied the modifiers. So since I've applied the modifiers over here on this particular section, I'm going to simply use the layer in the left hand side, and I'm going to just simply see how it is going to look. So now you should be able to see the different settings being used in those regions. If something isn't right, you can just simply return to the prepare tab. You can then resize or reposition the modifier, and then you can also slice the model again in order to see the changes. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.